Most men over 50 think their performance issues are all about testosterone. But what if I told you there's a completely overlooked muscle group that controls everything from your stamina, to your erections, to your bladder? And the crazy part? You've been sitting on it, literally, for decades. This is the pelvic floor, and it might just be the real reason your body isn't responding like it used to. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles that sits like a hammock between your tailbone and your pubic bone. It controls everything from urination to ejaculation, and even how long you can maintain an erection. When you're younger, this muscle group is tight, reactive, and strong, because you're moving more, standing more, and sitting less. But after 50, things start to shift. You sit more, move less, and slowly, these critical muscles weaken without you even noticing. Until one day, you realize you're having issues in the bathroom, in the bedroom, or both. The scary thing? Most men think it's just part of aging, but it's not. Weak pelvic floor equals weaker blood flow, lower control, and poor sexual performance. Simple as that. If any of this sounds familiar, drop the word core in the comments. It helps me know I'm not the only one talking about this, and it helps more men find the answers they've been missing. Strengthening your pelvic floor doesn't require weights, a gym, or a personal trainer. In fact, the #1 exercise for rebuilding this hidden muscle group is called a Kegel. And no, it's not just for women. Here's how to do it. Sit, stand, or lie down comfortably. Contract the same muscles you'd use to stop yourself from urinating. Hold that squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat for 10 reps, once or twice a day. That's it. No equipment, no weird positions, no embarrassment. But like any muscle, it needs consistency. And for some men, especially over 50, even feeling the pelvic floor can be tricky at first. That's why some doctors now recommend using simple home devices, small, discreet, and designed specifically to help men activate these muscles the right way. If you want to try one of those, I've linked to a trusted option in the description. Totally optional, but a great way to support your progress if you're serious about this. So when should you expect results? If you stay consistent, most men notice better control, stronger response, and improved sensation within just a few weeks. But here's the catch. Most men give up too early. Like any muscle, the pelvic floor doesn't respond overnight. It takes awareness, repetition, and a bit of patience. But when it clicks, it changes everything. If you're ready to start building strength from the inside out, drop the word restore in the comments. And if you want to see which device doctors actually recommend to help accelerate the process, you'll find it linked below in the description. Your body isn't broken. It's just waiting for you to reconnect with it.